Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. I am Alexis Paul, and for the next 30 minutes, we will explore one of the most essential skills in computer system servicing, and even in many technical vocational field, disassemble and assemble. Whether you're working on computer appliances, ignis or electronics, you know how to properly take things apart and put them back. It is a skill that show accuracy, discipline, and professional. So sit back, take notes, and let's dive into world of disassemble and assembly. Part 1. What is disassemble and assemble? Let's begin with a simple definition. Disassemble means to take apart a device or equipment into its separate compartment. Assemble is the opposite, to put those parts back together correctly and safely. These two processes always together. You cannot assemble something properly if you do not disassemble it carefully. And technical work, we follow strict procedure to avoid damage, maintain safety, and ensure the equipment works perfectly after assembly. Part 2. Why do we disassemble and assemble? There are many reasons why we perform disassembly and assembly in the field. Here are the most important ones. Number 1. Diagnosis and troubleshooting. If a device has issue, overheating, not power on, strategy, noises, we must open it to check internal component. Number 2. Repair and replacement. Faulty part needed to be removed, replaced, or required, such as RAM, hard drive, switches, wiring, or board. Number 3. Cleaning and maintenance. Those spilled down can cause overheating or performance issues. Regular disassembly and needed for cleaning. Number 4. Upgrades. In computer, we upgrade RAM, storage, GPU, or cooling system, or require disassembly. Number 5. Learning a skill development. Student must experience real hardware handling to build skill, confidence, and technical accuracy. So disassembling is not just taking things apart, it is a professional process done with purpose and technique. Part 3. Tools needed. Next, let's talk about the tools used during disassemble and assemble. Common tools: Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, twister, Phillips, plastic screwer, and opening tools, magnetic parts tray, terminal base, cleaning brush, compressed air, safety equipment, USD mat, gloves, safety goggles. In real technical works, using the right tool is crucial. Using the wrong tool can damage screw connector or delicate electronic component. Part 4. Safety procedure. Before we touch any equipment, safety is always the number one priority. Key safe rules. Number 1. Turn off and unplug the device. Number 2. Discharge static electricity by wearing an anti-static strap. Number 3. Work in a clean, organized workplace. Number 4. Handle internal component by ignitless. Number 5. Avoid forcing any part if it does fit something is wrong. Number 6. Keep screw separate container and level them. Number 7. Take pictures or notes before removing anything. This simple safety practice prevent costly mistake and keep your device and yourself safe. Part 5. Demonstration. Basic disassemble procedure. Now let's talk through a simple disassemble process using a desktop computer. You can adapt this to any device. Step by step. Number 1. Prepare the workspace. Lay down your ESD mat. Ready your tools and containers. Number 2. Power down and unplug. Shut down the PC. Remove power cable and or peripheral. Number 3. Discharge static electricity. Wear your anti-static wrist strap. Number 4. Remove the side panel. Use screwdrivers to open the case. Please screw and level containers. Number 5. Identify component: power supply, motherboard, RAM, hard drive SSD, CPU and color, cables and connectors. Number 6. Remove component carefully. Disconnect cables first. Remove RAM by pressing side locks. Screw hard drive or SSD trays. Detach GPU. In present, remove the heatsink and CPU. Remember, document every step. Take picture is needed. Beginner often forget where screw go. Documentation save you. Part 6. Demonstration assemble procedure. Now that the device is disassembled, let's assemble it again, step by step assembly. Number 1. Start with the motherboard. Place CPU carefully, aligning pins or strong triangle marks. Apply terminal space. Install CPU fan. Insert RAM into slot. Number 2. Mount motherboard to case. Ugly stand off. Screw circularly. Number 3. Install power supply. Secure the screw route cable neatly. Number 4. Install drive HDD SSD. Slide into vise. Screw in place. Number 5. Connect all cables. 24-pin ATX, 8-pin CPU, SATA cable, front panel connectors. Number 6. Install GPU. Present. Insert into PC slot. Screw in bucket. Number 7. Close the case. Retouch side panel. Insert screw. Assembly should always be neat, organized, and without